What's up, team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to show you guys a very simple recipe to grow out your hair, to grow out your edges. You guys know, if you guys have been watching my last videos, I talk about how thick and full my hair is, and my hair is growing so fast. But because I've been wearing so much lace front and my edges are a little bit looking somehow, so I'm really dedicated to grow out my edges, to really focus on my edges these few months. I really want to grow out my edges, so I want to come and share with you guys this quick and easy recipe. These are ingredients that you have in your kitchen. If you like to cook, these are ingredients that you have in your kitchen. It's not something that you have to go and buy extra. For me, I love cooking with olive oil. I love cooking with coconut oil, especially when it comes to like baking egg, baking pepper, those little baking stuff, something simple to eat breakfast. I love making those baking stuff with coconut oil or olive oil. So these are two things I always have in house. And my black pepper. Black pepper is also something that I always have in house. I really love this. It's such a really nice and spicy season. It's very nice. It's very nice. And so I have been reading a lot on the internet, and I come across this recipe. On the internet, and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try and let's see how it works. Since I'm about to grow out my hair, my edges, I think I can experiment this on my own hair, on my own edges, and then I'll be back to give you guys a quick update on how everything is looking. But first, let's make this ingredient. So first, what you need is your olive oil, you need a coconut oil, and you need your black pepper. I have already processed my black pepper. I've already blend everything because you need the powder. I've already blend my black pepper. You guys can see I blend quite a lot because I really gonna try this recipe more often. So I'm going to be making it more often in different kind of ways. Maybe another time I will make it without the coconut oil, or I'll make it with a different oil. So that's the reason why I have made a lot. But this is the powder form of the black pepper, and this is the black pepper itself. This is the seed of the black pepper. It is a very spicy season. It's a season. It's very spicy. If you're somebody who loves spicy food, just season your chicken with some black pepper. And this is the coconut oil. I've also melted my coconut oil because you guys know when coconut oil gets cool, it's a bit hard. So this is what the coconut oil looks like naturally, but I have already melted the coconut oil. Excuse my nails there. I did this fake nails and they are coming out, but they are coming out one by one. I don't know how to remove it myself, so don't pay attention to my nails. Okay, so you have I have my coconut oil, which is already warm, and here I have my container. So these are everything that you need. This is just to show you guys how the black pepper look like, but you need the powder, so you need to blend your black pepper. So what you need is a cup of olive oil, two teaspoons of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of the black pepper powder, and mix everything together. Leave it to sit down for a week, and then after a week you're going to drain the oil out of the black pepper, and then you will start using it at least 3 to 4 times a week. You're going to use it to massage your edges, or you can use it to massage your scalp, massage your head with it. It's really going to help with hair growth. It's going to help you to promote hair growth. And coconut oil, it is a very good oil for the hair. It has a lot of nutrients, a lot of good benefits when it comes to the hair, and the same goes for olive oil. If you are natural, or you are into the natural hair community, you guys know these ingredients. These are 2 staple ingredients of the natural hair community. Everybody know coconut oil, everybody know extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, so now let's start mixing. I have this measuring cup and I have my spoon here. These are just extra stuff that you're going to be needing. This is 1 cup. This is 250 ml. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see good. You guys can see 250 ml, and the second large one is 125 ml as well, as you guys can see. And then we also have this one, which is 80 ml, yeah, and also this one is 50. So I have 4 different measurements, so you can use whatever you want to use. I'm not gonna make a lot because I really want to try these recipes with, I want to try this with different recipe. I don't want to try only one recipe, so I'm not going to be making a lot. So I'm going to be using the 125 ml oil. So that's what I'm going to be using. So what you're going to do, now that you have decided which measurement of the measure cup that you want to use, you're going to start with your container. Make sure your container is cleaned, washed, and sanitized. You make sure you have to sanitize your container. Make sure everything is clean. So now we're going to open the olive oil. This is a brand new bottle. I just picked this up from my beauty store, from my organic store. So I'm just going to fill this one up. I love that greenness. I love the richness of the olive oil. It's just so beautiful. This is really, really nice. So we're just gonna fill everything up. Fill it up. Just fill it. Just make sure you don't throw it on the floor, because some of you guys know I do wear glasses, but sometimes I just don't wear it at home, and it's sometimes a little bit difficult when I don't wear it to kind of read things, you know. I need my glasses. So now that you have decided which cup, you're going to take the olive oil. Be careful, don't mess it up like I do. Turn the olive oil into the container. So now the olive oil is into the container. You're going to take your spoon. You're going to take 2 of this. You're going to take, make sure it's full, so you guys can see, and then add this. 1. This one is a little bit not full. 2. You're going to add 2 of that. Mix it with the olive oil. Just mix everything. Make sure you mix it really nice with the olive oil. Leave it in there, and now you're going to take 1 teaspoon of the black pepper powder. As you guys can see, just try to get it enough. A little bit more, just 1 full spoon. Put it in there, and now you have to start mixing. You're gonna mix, make sure the black pepper is mixed well with the. So to some of you guys who, if you can't remember the day you make it, you have to put a date on the bottle. But I know today, I know the date, so I'm not gonna be worried about putting it on the bottle. So today is the 6th of March 2021. So March 6th. So we're gonna leave this one to soak in till next week, and then we come back and drain out so you guys can see everything is mixed. You don't need to put a lot of black pepper, just 1 spoon. So now that I have mixed everything is totally mixed, everything is mixed correctly. I'm just gonna like mix, keep that away. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cover your oil. So the rest of this, you can actually, the rest of the ingredients, you can actually keep them for next time, for other use. For example, if you want to make the same recipe over and over again, you can keep the black pepper, the powder one, you can go ahead and keep it. You can use it again, or you can try to mix and do another recipe. I do have another recipe which will be coming up soon, but first let's give this a try this on your hair, and trust me, your hair will grow. I've seen a really great result on other people, so that's the reason why I thought, you know what, let me try this on my own hair, because I need to grow my edges. Even though I'm relaxing my hair, most people will say, oh, your hair is relaxed, but even though I'm relaxing my hair, I also want my hair to be healthy. I want my hair to look beautiful. I want my hair to look really natural. I'm relaxing, but you guys know I'm always going relaxing, cutting my hair off, going natural, cutting my hair off. So for me, I can decide today, like, you know what, I want to cut my hair, because I also have two daughters, which are natural. They have natural hair. I don't put any relaxer on their head. Hell no. We don't put any kind of chemical on their hair. I try as much to do all the natural stuff. So this one is not only going to be used by me, but I'm also going to use it on the kids' hair, just for a little bit of experiment to see how it goes. So guys, this is it. So today is the 6th of March and 2021. I'm going to keep this one for till next week, and then next week I will be back to show you guys how to drain the oil from the black pepper and then start using it. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.